Now, even as India and Pakistan continue to exchange fire across the line of control, Air Chief Marshal N.A.K. Brown has reiterated India's stand that the LOC is sacrosanct. He says that while Pakistan's repeated violations of the 2003 ceasefire agreement are unacceptable, India will explore all diplomatic options available.
We have certain structures, and that is sacrosanct. And any violation of these with impunity, especially as what's been happening in the last few months, is totally unacceptable. We're monitoring the situation very carefully, because if these things continue the way they are, and the violations continue to take place, then perhaps we may have to look at some other options for compliance.
India has taken this entire incident extremely seriously. All those diplomatic channels and all the other steps which are essential that this matter is taken to a rightful and a logical conclusion are being explored by the government of India.
Well, earlier on Friday, tensions along the line of control between India and Pakistan topped the agenda of the high-level meeting in the Prime Minister's office. Defence Secretary Shashikant Sharma and the National Security Advisor Shiv Shankar Menon apprised the Prime Minister of the current situation. In the related incident, India has asked Pakistan for a brigadier-level flag meeting at the LOC.
इस समय भारत और पाकिस्तान के बीच जो कॉन्फिडेंस बिल्डिंग मेजर का जो एक दौर यह चल रहा है, इसे तत्काल रोक देना चाहिए, क्योंकि भारत और पाकिस्तान के बीच विश्वास कभी भी डेवलप नहीं किया जा सकता जब तक पाकिस्तान इस प्रकार की हरकतें करता रहेगा। मैं तो यह भी चाहता हूं कि भारत सरकार को अपना एक प्रोटेस्ट दर्ज कराने के लिए जो भारत के इस्लामाबाद में हाई कमिश्नर हैं, उन्हें फिलहाल वापस बुलाना चाहिए। और तीसरा हमारा यह कहना है कि एक डिप्लोमेटिक रिलेशंस, जो राजनयिक रिश्ते भारत और पाकिस्तान के बीच हैं, मैं समझता हूं कि उसके स्तर को इस समय कुछ घटाने की भी आवश्यकता है। भारत को इस दिशा में भी पहल करनी चाहिए, क्योंकि कुछ न कुछ कठोर चेतावनी पाकिस्तान को मिलनी चाहिए भारत के द्वारा।
There was a delegation that went, Hurriyat separatists went from Kashmir, and the government allowed that, and they went and met Hafiz Saeed. How can we allow these?
What happened last month? What happened before that when their home minister came to India? What he said, what he did. I mean, there have been this confidence-building measures and other activities. Trade has increased so many-fold. Visa facility has been facilitated. So lots of confidence-building measures have been taken by India and also to a certain extent reciprocated. But one such incident undoes so many confidence-building measures. Because what has happened with our soldiers? You know what happened with Kalia. You know that the parents of our soldier have gone now to an international court of appeal. We cannot allow these kind of happenings to take place and not be seen as agitated, exercised and angry ourselves.